We are busy with grade 8 algebra, and in this video we'll learn how to subtract terms from one another. So here I have 3 examples. Let us start with our first one. It says subtract 2x from 5x. So if I rewrite that as an algebraic expression, I would say 5x minus 2x. Notice it's not 2x minus 5x. That answer would be different. So if we read carefully, it says you must subtract 2x. So you must minus 2x from, so this is where you start, 5x. And if I simplify that, 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. Next question says subtract negative 4y from 6y. So I'm starting from 6y and I am subtracting negative 4y. And what I want you to notice is I don't say 6y minus 4y because we already have negative 4y. That's the term that we need to subtract. So it becomes minus 4y. And because it's a double negative, I write that term in brackets. So it will be 6y minus 4y. And hopefully by now you would have learned that two negatives become positive. So it becomes 6y plus 4y. And that is equals to 10y when we add the like terms together. And in our last example, it says subtract negative 3x from negative 3x. So I'm starting from negative 3x. So that's my first term. And I am subtracting. So negative there, subtracting negative 3x. And again, the same rule applies. When I have negative and negative, it will become negative 3x plus 3x. And that's exactly the same. So the answer would be 0x. And in algebra, we don't say 0x because 0x is the same as saying 0 multiplied with x. So that simply becomes 0. 0 multiplied with anything becomes 0. So our final answer is simply 0.